A lot better than all that stuff. That's just totally unnecessary. All right, so what we're gonna do today here is we got 3 timers here going to various areas, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna just get install one timer. It's gonna be a 12 station, more than enough what we need, but right here, this is just, we gotta just clean this all up. There's too many wires. I don't know, they use like old telephone wiring. So what I had to do was identify all where it goes, and so we're just going to clean all this up so there's just one timer and then we're not all these wires. So we find out that actually this one timer here only operates right outside the door here. This valve, you can see how it has like telephone wire. So we're gonna change that out. Put in the standard controller valve wiring, and then we have this timer right here, which actually goes all the way at the top, comes across here and goes into the wall right there. And what that does, comes out here. We've actually taken the wire off, comes out here and goes around where Benjamin's at, and feeds these valves here for the backyard. So putting that voltage wire, the controller valve wiring that we're supposed to use, and that instead of that this wire right here, which is like I said, it's where are we at? Like I said, that's for this old telephone wire that they use. We're not using that. Alright, so we have this timer mounted, and we're going to put in the wires. Benjamin already started doing this incoming wire. So we're going to get this wire here in its place, and we got 2 more cables that are going to go in there. Yeah, we cleaned it all up, and now we just got 3 cables going to the various manifold, meaning valve areas, and the back side and front. So, and a lot better than all that stuff. That's just totally unnecessary, but you know, that's at least they tried. Give them credit for that. And it did work for a little while, but it's, you know, it's better to have one timer and less wires.